welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday and tomorrow, that is Monday. Wait, just sneezed. Great start to the vlog. So I was just saying tomorrow is Monday and tomorrow I'm going on a short staycation with my family to Lonavala. I'm obviously going to be taking y'all along. I won't be vlogging a lot of the trip. I'm actually vlogging the whole week, but just some parts of it. Already packed most of my things. Today has been so productive, like the entire day, morning to night I was doing something constantly. Like today I literally cleared out so many things from my closet, like so many things, and got so many things streamlined. Like literally you can see it looks so much better. Like I have removed so many clothes and I set it up also, and there's space here which there wasn't before. I wanted space so I can like get stuff and put it, so there's enough space for more things to come. Long time coming, because I was everything was just piling up and getting too messy. 2 full bags of clothes that I'm gonna be giving to people, so love that. And yeah, now I'm just gonna, I don't know if I think I should do something to my hair. I washed it today but I did not get time to like style it or do anything, and tomorrow morning I don't think I'm gonna get the time either, so I think I'll just do it in diet or something, or do it out there. Good morning, you guys. This is the next day and this is what I'm wearing, and we're all ready to leave now, so I will see you on the way. We have reached and the place looks so good. Like this is just part of it, y'all can see. Wow, just went and saw the pool and right now it's full, but I'm sure we'll come back in the evening. Guys, we just got the rooms and I love this room. I know we say that for literally every room we go to, but I have a huge mirror right here and a little sofa section, a huge bed. Like the room is quite spacious, I don't know if you can tell. And here we have the view, which is of the swimming pool. Like this is the balcony and there is the pool, which I'm gonna go definitely. And yeah, and we also have a bathroom. I'll show you. I really like the bathroom. Wow, the shower area is like so comfortable and like spacious again, and the mirror, love it. Totally looking forward for the next 2 days. Just woke up from my nap and now, as you can see, I'm gonna go for a swim. I'm excited for it. The pool looks good. Swim. I think we're gonna go in now. Okay, bye. You guys, this is the next day. I knew I was not gonna end up vlogging yesterday. I literally did not. After swimming, got ready and we went out to eat at this cafe called Anglo Indian Cafe. You can check it out if you're in Lonavala. And oh my god, today we had breakfast and now we're just chilling around. It's too hot to go out. And right now we're actually gonna go swimming in the afternoon today, because yesterday in the evening the pool was packed, like because it's the vacation, like this hotel is packed, so the pool was also packed, so we'll go in the afternoon. But up until then we're just gonna chill. And yeah, yes. Just got back after a swim and took a shower, and this is what I'm wearing. Hi guys, I am actually continuing this vlog after a week. Yes, the last thing you saw was me at the staycation in Lonavala, and then I felt sick over there. I puked my stomach was bad, I got my period. I mean, I had a really good time, but the last one day was very bad, and then I came back and I was still very not in the best mood possible. Yeah, up until now. Like today I decided to pick up the camera because I really want to get the vlog up this week. I have not been posting it, and I'm actually going for a haircut, not like a haircut but like a hair trim. My hair has gotten so long and it's never usually so long. I just wanted to trim it. I'm gonna keep it long. Yes, long hair is looking good, but it's too hot and it's too much. I'm not able to manage it, so I just want like a trim so that it's a little fresh. And also the bangs need to be like figured out. They're like all over the place, so that I'm wearing like a basic top and jeans, and I'm actually really excited to, I know I cut my hair recently, like I think it's been like 4 months, but I'm realizing that in order to keep your hair fresh, like you need to do it every 4 months, 3 to 4 months ish, like just to keep it healthy. Because I noticed last time also I just trimmed it and my hair grew so fast. This much, yeah, and I'm sure it'll grow back fast. And also the bangs have like literally grown out. I'm trying to keep it short this time little.
फ्रंट से थोड़ा लेयर करेंगे, बैक में तो लेयर नहीं चाहिए ना,
नहीं ना
उतना अच्छा मतलब ठीक लगेगा, वो लेन ज़्यादा कट होएगा, बैक में आपको लेन शॉर्ट ज़्यादा, मतलब लेयर ज़्यादा चाहिए तो लेन ज़्यादा कट होएगा,
शॉर्ट दिखेगा। लास्ट टाइम नहीं किया था ना?
नहीं, सिर्फ फ्रंट लेयर किया था आपने।
हाँ
तो फ्रंट लेयर करेंगे वो,
हाँ
अच्छा
ठीक है,
लगेगा।
वो ही अच्छा है ना। बैक टू द बैंग्स। लंबा था तो ऐसे नहीं रह रहा था, ऐसे ही साइड में जा रहा था। Much better, and the bangs are shorter, which I like.
Outfit tomorrow, just remember when you pack.
Yeah.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh.
Episode planning with Riya Gurnani.
Are you vlogging me right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we won't carry like a very extra outfit.
No, like a cute theater type top and jeans, but
Yeah.
you still need that outfit.
Yeah. Just finished packing my pod shoot bag, and tomorrow after the shoot we also have to go for Viraj's movie screening, so I had to pack that outfit too. Quite hectic. And ooh, the bangs are looking very cute. They're still a little short, but I don't hate it. At least it's not coming in my eye. Good morning, you guys. This is the next day and I am heading for shoot right now. I'm all ready. I'm just feeling so tired because I've not had much. I did not get time to order it, so I'll have to order. I did not get time to make it, so I'll have to order it over there, and I'll have to wait until it arrives. We have reached and we are waiting for Riya to eat. No, you can eat. You should eat. You must eat. Yeah. Y'all must have seen me wear it.
A lot, yeah.
I don't know. I think in this vlog did I wear it? I don't know, but
Yeah, yesterday you were wearing it.
no.
But one of the times we spoke on FaceTime, she was wearing it like earlier this week. But now my Martha
Finally, she's wearing it, and I'm gonna be wearing the same one, but another element on it. Yeah,
This is too much.
Ready?
Yeah.
I don't know why. Yeah, we have worn this outfit before, guys. We did wear this outfit but removed it, so y'all have not seen it, but we have seen ourselves wear it. We look good. Always someone wears blue, the other person wears pink.
Yeah, it's always a gender reveal here.
It's never the same color. Why?
No, but that's on purpose.
Yeah. Guys, y'all have not seen the new set on my vlog. I don't think so. The new, and today we have new bed sheets. Last time we had green. I think we had green or beige. We had beige. Now and green pillows, and now we have lavender pillows and a new duvet cover. And everything is stripes. My pants, Ria's outfit, this, and last time everything was checks.
Yeah.
We are on theme with our set without anyone telling us.
Oh yeah, it's cold.
Is it? I'm not feeling
I
cold.
think it's my outfit.
You want that baby blanket?
No, I
Done with the first step. Here's Ria giving like multiple expressions. Yay! Only need to make the reel now.
yeah.
We are eating lunch now, and for once we ordered something healthy and not something junk. We actually ordered dal khichdi. Wow. I think the conversation was very warm and comfortable, and that's why we felt like eating something comfy. So yeah. Look how good the meal looks.
Dal khichdi, papad, mango pickle, lemon raita. Yeah.
How is it?
Oh, I have
Yeah?
so
My
good.
time to try.
So good. Try a little bit. Dal khichdi.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
अरे open it someone.
बस जम मैं ही में खोल के दूं क्या
You open it now. You open it.
Today we are the people who are sing happy birthday. Usually people sing happy birthday and while we are shooting the pod it gets so annoying.
Yeah,
But today we are singing happy
What is
birthday.
the shape of this cake?
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, the shape of this is crazy.
He's 1 year old.
Same.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karthik. Happy birthday to We have gotten ready, changed, and now we are going for an event. We are going for Viraj's movie screening. It's nearby only, so shouldn't take us long. And Sahil is waiting outside for us. Sahil is shooting. Look at his setup. Love it. We are at the premiere.
See Kanchi's outfit. You showed already? Wow. So
See,
cute.
Ria Gurnani's outfit. Wow, so cute. Bro, both of us look so good with the haircut.
Yeah, it's actually looking really
Yeah.
nice. I'm understanding why people are like, oh my god, guys, your hair. Everyone has been saying.
We get it.
We get it.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is the next day, and right now I am getting ready for an event. It's like a very chill glow glossary event where they have something fun, something Tokyo inspired, which I'm excited to go for. I'll show you my outfit. By the way, this is the next day. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing, this shirt and this skirt. Really chill, didn't want to dress up a lot, but it still looks dressed up. I have reached, I'm waiting for Sahil to come, and then we'll go inside for the event. Where is he? I think he should be there in the next 5 minutes.
Kanchi
Sahil
didn't
is
take
here.
me enough in a vlog yesterday.
So you can come now.
No, but yesterday you didn't take me in a vlog enough. I'm mad at you for that.
Great. Where? Oh. We are going to Harajuku. The event is over there. It's some Tokyo inspired something with glow glossary. So yeah, and I'm really craving a matcha. I've not had one. I was waiting for the event and I want one so bad right now, and I'm feeling so sleepy and tired. we have reached, and like they have a lot of games and stuff here. I think it's going to be really interesting. Like they have teams and everything and interesting games lined up. So I'm going to see how it is going to be.
Okay, what are we doing?
There's a conveyor belt, the sushi conveyor.
Okay, let me show you all. Okay, it's this.
It's this, and like we want to put the camera there and see if it comes back and keep the recording on.
Okay, let's
Risking it,
like
huh?
this.
How? It'll fall. Check if it's falling.
It'll fall, it'll fall, it'll fall. No. How do we put it? It'll fall. For sure.
Guys, I'm not gonna do that. I'm having a coconut mango. I don't know, what is it? Coconut? What is it? Coconut oat
Very bad thing on the table. Guys, the matcha collagen shot is yum. It's like the sweetest drink we have today.
मैं कहाँ पे आ जाऊँ भाई मैं कहाँ आ गया
Sahil has to whisk the matcha and we cannot help
Your
him.
team, na?
We can only help him with our hands.
Remember, one who speaks, that person is eliminated. Your team is going to guide you. You have been at it and everyone else is finished. Yeah, this is going to fall on your shoulders. Can you
Our matcha got an 8.5. I forgot to show you how it looked, but it looked good.
just give a diplomatic reaction, huh?
Can we taste our own matcha?
Okay, now the whole team will open. We are coming up.
Hi guys, so that's it for this vlog. I think it's quite long. I did a lot of stuff in this vlog and it's been quite interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here and I'm gonna see you super soon. I have some fun vlogs coming up, so stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you super soon.